Alrighty folks, let's do a quick video about showing you if your eggs need to be thrown away or are they salvageable. Just got back from a 4-month road trip and I had 4 eggs in the fridge and I'm like, the cheap side of me is like, I don't want to go to the store, I want to use them. Let's say you're in a pinch, you need a bake. Okay, so let's talk about the freshest factor. Now I've already tested these, but right here I have a bowl full of water. The egg needs to be able to be fully submerged and even like double the height of the egg, just so that you can either float it, just add more water. And so the freshest egg is going to be put in the bowl of water and it's going to go all the way to the bottom and it's going to sit down like this here. That's going to be the freshest egg. If it sinks to the bottom and it kind of turns upright or kind of floats like this, that means it's still edible, but probably use it for baking, separating the yolk from the egg white, etc. You know, still eatable, scrambleable, but not as fresh as if it sinks all the way to the bottom like this. Now, let's show you what happens when eggs are no longer palatable and probably might get you sick. I don't know, but I wouldn't eat them. So we're going to go ahead and put the egg in the water and it went down to the bottom and immediately floated up. Let's check that out one more time. This is a deep bowl as well. As we can see, goes to the bottom and immediately floats back up and they're floating at a vertical float right here. Let's do that right there. It goes straight to the bottom because of the weight and immediately goes up. Floating eggs should be discarded, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Unfortunately, it is what it is. I hate wasting good protein, but kind of forgot I had eggs in the fridge before I left for my road trip. I think I knew it, I just ran out of room in my Yeti cooler. Anyway, thumb that video up if you wouldn't mind. Helps out the algorithm. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Happy eating. Get your egg whites. Get your protein. Have yourself a great day. We'll see you on the next one.